Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is write function, which and how to execute it within SQL queries. And this is lecture number 17 given by myself, Shanaz Malik. And let's go quickly into this lecture. And just remember that the write function returns the right part of a character string with the specified number of characters. And syntax is simply write, and you give the string and wherever that string is, and then comma and then number of characters to be extracted, and of course it's going to extract it from the right, and the parameter string is required and number of characters is also required. And now let's check quickly this in our SQL Server Management Studio. What I'm going to do, I've just put using Adventure Work 2017 as usual, selecting first name and then the 5 characters from the right of the first name, and alias it as a friendly name from person.person table. And I'm also putting a condition where business, entity ID, so business is with capital, and this ID is than less than 20. Let's keep it, sweet. Okay, and let's put it like this. I think it will be like this from table where. Okay, so this makes sense now. And a database used in this SQL query could be downloaded from the link if you don't have until now. I'm not going to repeat all this again and again. This you guys, and please check here whichever database I'm using, that's here. That doesn't mean if you have older one, most of the queries might still work, uh, but that will be seen. So here is my database which I'm using, and this is the table which I'm using. Okay, now I am just trying to keep everything, as much as visible for you guys. Let's see it everything in the full screen, because some of you are using mobile screens, so it's better to give you a full screen view. So what I'm doing here, basically I'm selecting first name, that's fine, then right, and putting the right function. And what I'm doing, I'm giving parameters like uh, first name. Okay, this is the string from where I'm going to extract, and I'm asking from the right take the 5 characters, and I'm creating this as a friendly name column, and from this, and where business entity ID is less than 20. And if I execute this, and what I'm getting is, if you see, is first name. Okay, if I'm asking, it's only 3 words, and if I'm asking 5 and it's giving me 3, here it's 5 words and it's giving me all 5. Here, if you notice, it is, I think, 7 character, sorry, not words, I'm sorry, it's characters. Okay, 3 characters, 5 characters. Okay, and here it's 7 characters, and I'm asking the right 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, so Berto. Okay, Berto is right 5, so you start from here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then you get that Berto, because it's under this friendly name. And if it doesn't make sense, that's not a point is what actually we are friendly, or name endings, or maybe name endings, maybe we can say name endings. So for example, I execute it, it doesn't matter, as long as you understand the point. The point is, if it is less than 5, it gives us all. If it is just 5 or more, it gives us the right side. It starts from the right side and gives us the last 5 characters of our string. Okay, so that's very simple, to the point, and that's the way how you could use write function. But more usage of it we will see in our coming advanced, intermediate and advanced level SQL queries. I will show you how we use all these functions to extract wonderful information. And uh, but at the at the moment. What it's time to say that please subscribe. If you like this video, connect with me if you haven't done until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in coming videos. Until then, I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Before I say please share this video. If you haven't subscribed until now, it's very simple. You have to go and click the subscribe button of this channel, and this is the notification bell. It's not here. It's actually you go onto your YouTube account and check it. Where is my channel? You will find all this. Whether it is notification bell, whether it is if you like it, it helps us. It kind of gives the rating to my videos, and if you really like me to continue doing these videos, you have to support me as well. I do a lot for you. It takes me hours to make these lectures for all of you guys, and if you see, I try to make it beautiful so that it's well presented. I do it all for all of you guys, but in return, I request a support to subscribe my channel, share these videos as much as possible, and share, like, comment, whatever is required for you guys. If you want me to make a lecture on a particular course in data analytics fields or computer science, just let me know. I will see if more requests will come. Whatever subject you are interested, just send me that subject and what level you're interested in. I will do my best to guide you and or make a lecture myself on that lecture series. Saying that, all, thank you very much. Time to say goodbye.